What's up, guys? I'm here at a Target checking things out. Unfortunately, they have not stocked up on the Hot Wheels. Let's see what they have over here. Same old same. Nothing new. Not much on these 5-packs. They did get some of these pop culture cars. So these are the cars that make up the set. I already picked up the Cool Combi and the HW Tour Bus a while back ago, so these are staying here for somebody else. Let's see. All right, let's come around this way, guys. Let's see what they have. Nice. They got some of these new 5-packs. Check this out. This one comes with the 2014 Chevy Silverado, the Road Hauler, the 2016 Ram Utility Flatbed, the 57 GMC step-side pickup truck, and the Jeep Wrangler. Check this out, guys. Pretty cool. I like that Silverado right there. It's pretty cool. The step-side and the Wrangler are pretty cool as well. So this is a maybe. Oh man, this one is sweet. Check this out, guys. This one is definitely coming home with me. So this one comes with a 1951 Hudson Hornet, the 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible, the 33 Ford Coupe, the 1971 Pontiac Firebird Formula, and the 1957 GMC step-side in red. So we got two step-sides, guys. Here they are side by side. One in white, one in red. You know me, I love my old school trucks. So this one's coming home with me as well. And here's another 5-pack. Nice, man. So this one comes with a 2017 Honda Civic hatchback, the 2007 Subaru Impreza, the 2010 Infiniti G37 Coupe, the 1970 Datsun 510 Rally Car, and the 1962 Nissan Junior. So here they are, guys. Definitely gonna take all three. Let's see. Yeah, this one we've seen before. Let's see what else they have over here. Oh, nice. So check this out, guys. This one comes with a Toyota Prius taxi car, the 2015 BMW i3, the 2010 Honda Insight, the 2009 International E-Star, and the 2010 Nissan Leaf. So here they are, guys. So not a bad lineup, guys, but I'm not a big fan of these cars, so these are going to stay here. Let's see what they have over here, guys. So they have a few of these Matchbox. This one's pretty cool. This is the 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. This one is very nice. Look at all the details it has, guys. I already picked up a couple of these, so this one's staying here for somebody else. And it looks like that's it at this store, guys. Let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? I'm here at a CVS checking things out. And look what I found, guys. The new series of the Pearl and Chrome. Nice. Check out this cool 64 Chevy Nova wagon. And here's a cool 1949 Ford F1 truck. Here's a cool passing gas truck. Here's a cool 67 Austin minivan. Here is the Evil Twin, which should complete the set. So here they are, guys. Feel free to pause the video, check them out. Looks like they put out two sets. So you take one and leave one for somebody else. All right, guys, that's pretty much at this store. Let's move on to the next one. What's up, guys? I'm here at a Target checking things out. So as you can see, they didn't get anything for the single packs. So let's see what they got over here on these 9-packs. Check out that Camaro, guys. Very cool. This one has some pretty cool cars. Let's see what else they have. Here's another one with that cool red Porsche. And there's another Porsche right here. There's another cool Porsche. This is a good looking car for sure. Check out that Stingray. Pretty cool. Here's the yellow Centenario, the Ford Lightning F-150. Oh man, no freaking way. Check this out, guys. This black Supra right here, That's the exclusive for GameStop. And there's 2 of them in here. Unfreaking believable. Definitely gonna pick this one up. See guys, that's why you never neglect these 9 packs or 20 packs. You never know what you're gonna find. Alright guys, let's see what else they have here. That's pretty cool. I still don't have that beetle right there, that yellow one. That's cool. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like these other ones are all the same, guys. Yeah, a couple, a few different cars here and there, but that's pretty much it. So I'd say it's a pretty good score so far with this GameStop exclusive Supra. Now let's move on to these 20 packs. They've got some pretty nice cars, but let's see. Man, I'm still stoked about this 9 pack. A lot of people are going to be after this Supra, and I got 2 of them. Wow, that's freaking amazing. Let's see. Looks like somebody returned this Mustang. Wow. Alright guys, let's see. Muscle machines. Let's see. Got some 9 packs here. Pretty good looking cars, but nothing that I don't already have or care for. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next store. What's up guys? I'm here at another Target, checking things out. They have not restocked on the Hot Wheels. Not much for the premiums, but looky here. Nice. I already picked this one up a while ago. Gonna leave this here for somebody else. This one I did not have. Nice. This is beautiful. Check this out. This is the 1970 Plymouth Superbird and the 1970 Roadrunner. So definitely did not have this one. I'm taking this home with me. The only one that I'm missing is the Nissan Skyline GTR. So let's see what else they have, guys. Doesn't look like much. Ooh, nice. I'm not much into Tomica, guys, but this Nissan GTR is pretty sweet. So this one's coming home with me. Let's see what else they have. They have this Lexus. Not too bad. Bag warmer. What do we have over here? Another Nissan GTR. This is a police car. Nice. Definitely gonna take this one. And there's another police car over there. So, peg warmers on the Auto World. Not much for NASCAR. Majorette. I already have all these. Let's see. Let's see. They stocked up on the Matchbox, but nothing that I don't already have or don't care for. So let's move on. They did not stock up on the green lights, unfortunately. And they do have some of these Jada Toys Fast and Furious. This one I already picked up. Han's Mazda RX-7. Really cool. Letty's Plymouth Barracuda I already have. I already picked up the Chevelle. Pretty cool. And let's see. Alright guys, so that's pretty much at this store. Let's move on to the next one. What's up guys? So I'm here at Target checking things out. Looks like they stocked up on these Auto World. So let's check them out, shall we? They have this cool wagon. Ha ha ha, nice. Look what I just found, guys. A 2020 Chevy Corvette Ultra Chase. Nice. Chevy truck. Peg warmer. Another truck. Another peg warmer. And here's a Lincoln Continental, which we've seen. 2020 Chevy Corvette. This is the regular one. There's a comparison. And let's see what else we have. And that's pretty much it, guys. Here's this one here. Alright, let's see what else they have. Muscle machines, bunch of peg warmers, monster trucks, more monster trucks, and they did not restock on the Hot Wheels. Alright guys, so that's my peg hunt for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces. Yes!